Okay, this is the second 6 weeks first test review. It's about graphing lines, linear functions. Determine the y and x intercepts for each function. Remember, your y-intercept is going to be y equal mx plus b. That's your y-intercept. The x-intercept is known as a zero or a root. Okay? You could get both of these if you put them in standard form. So if you put these in standard form, you could get them. Okay, we're going to go through and get these. So to find the y-intercept, you're going to have 0, y, and the x-intercept, you're going to have x, 0. Okay, so to get the x-intercept, you replace y with 0. And to get the y-intercept, you replace x with 0. Okay, so this one right here, y equals mx plus b. This right here is our y-intercept, right? So our y-intercept is 4, or negative 4. Okay, and it would be written as 0, negative 4. Okay, so if you replace x with 0, you're going to get y equal negative 4. Now then, let's replace y with 0. So we'll get 0 equals negative 2 over 3x minus 4. So what I'm doing is replacing y with 0. I'm going to multiply everything by 3 to get rid of my 3 here. I'll get 0 equals negative 2x minus 12. I'm going to move the 12 over. I'm going to get 12 equals negative 2x. So if I divide by negative 2, I'm going to get negative 6 equals x. So this ordered pair would be if negative 6 were x, y would be 0. So the ordered pair would be negative 6, 0. So this is my x-intercept, and this is my y-intercept. Right here, this would be my y-intercept, wouldn't it? So the y-intercept would be written as 0, 8. Now then, I'm going to replace the y with 0, and this is going to give me my x-intercept. So I'm going to multiply everything by 4. I'm going to get 0 equals x plus 32. The 4's cancel out here, right? Then all I got to do is move over the 32, so x is going to end up being a negative 32 in it. That ordered pair would be negative 32, 0. So this is my x-intercept, this is my y-intercept. Remember, if it's in y-intercept form, you're going to know your y-intercept. This equation's in standard form, right? So if it's in standard form, you can split the equation up and take the x and y out. So if I replace y with 0, I'm going to get 5 times 0, 0. The 5y is going to go away. So I'm going to have negative 3x equals negative 45. This is going to give me my x-intercept. And then over here, I'm going to replace x with 0. I'm going to get 5y equal negative 45. This is going to give me my y-intercept. So right here, if I divide by negative 3, I'm going to get x equals 15. As an ordered pair, that's 15, 0. Over here, I'm going to divide by 5, and I'm going to get y equal negative 9. As an ordered pair, that would be 0, negative 9. So this is my y-intercept. This is my x-intercept. So if it's in standard, it's pretty easy. You just do negative 3x equal negative 45 and 5y equal negative 45. You rewrite the problem twice, taking out the letter, and you just solve, and that gives you your intercepts. Right here, this is almost standard form. So I'm going to multiply everything by 2 to make it standard form. So that's going to eliminate the 2's right here, and I'm going to put it over here. I'm going to get x minus 8y equals negative 24. Now I have standard form, don't I? So I'm going to rewrite the equation twice, one with the x and one with the y, negative 8y. And then this right here is my x-intercept, isn't it? So the x-intercept is going to be negative 24, 0. And if I divide by negative 8, I'm going to get y equals 3, and that intercept would be 0, 3. That's my y-intercept. Okay, so if it's in standard form, you just split the equation up, x equal, y equal, and solve for them, and that's going to give you your intercepts. And remember, your intercept is an ordered pair. It's not a number.